When the price of the sugar was increased by 32%, a family reduced its consumption in such a way that the expenditure on sugar was only 10% more than before. If 30 kg were consumed per month before, then find the new monthly consumption. Alright, so earlier for 100 rupees, the family used to get 30 kg of sugar. But now what happened is the price of the sugar is increased by 32%. So earlier the price was 100. Now the new price is increased by 32%. So the new price is 132 rupees. So now for 132 rupees, the family is able to get 30 kg of sugar. But family is not willing to spend 132 rupees. The family is only willing to increase their expenditure by 10% more than before. The family is willing to increase their expenditure only 10% more than before. So before their expenditure was 100, so they are only willing to spend 10% more than this, which is 110 rupees. Okay, now they'll have to decrease their consumption. So let's say their new consumption here is X. So now first let's calculate the value of X here. X is equals to, we'll do cross multiplication. So we get 30 into 110 divided by this 132. So we get 11 ones are 11 twos are 11 ones are 0, 6 twos are 6 fives are 2 ones are 2 fives are. So we get the value of X, which is 5 fives are 25 kgs. So that means their new consumption here will be X, which is equals to 25 kgs. So this is our required answer, which is option B. Okay, now you can either solve it this way, or there is another method. Okay, there is an alternate method to solve this question, where you use the formula. Okay, where you can use the formula. Now formula goes something like this. Formula is expenditure is equals to price into consumption. Okay, the formula is expenditure is equals to price into consumption. Now previously the price was 100, okay, and the consumption was 30 kgs. So the expenditure here will be 100 into 30, right? Earlier the price was 100, their consumption was 30 kg. So the expenditure was 100 into 30. Now what happened is price increased by 32%. So now new price becomes 132. Okay, but the family is only willing to increase their expenditure only 10% more than before. So that means they are only willing to spend, this is the entirety of 100%, they are only willing to increase this expenditure by 10%. So they are only able they are only willing to spend 110% of this previous expenditure, and this will give me the new consumption. Now this will give me new consumption. So let's find out that new consumption. So 100 cancelled, so we are left with 110 into 30 is equals to this 132, and this will give me the new consumption. Okay, now new consumption here will be 110 into 30 divided by 132, and this is the same thing that we have solved here. So we get the answer, which is 25 kgs. And again option B here is the correct one. So you can either solve in this way using the unitary method, or you can either solve in this way using this formula. Okay, both will give you the same answer, which is option B here.